Okay, so previously we did an unboxing of the EcoPlus Eco 185, which is the fixed flow pump. Um, Real quick, I just wanted to add an update to this. Took everything out, got it all set up, went to go do a test run, and the pump would not work. Um, it's not a self-priming pump, so you have to prime it yourself. Even after trying to prime it for an inline use, I just could not get it to get the draw that it needed. And even submersing the pump completely in water, it would not prime. This pump would not push any water. I'm not saying that this pump isn't necessarily a bad pump. In general, it may just be a defective one that I've received. So unfortunately, I won't be able to continue with this one because I'm going to go another route, and this one is being returned to Amazon. That's unfortunate because I had high hopes for this, uh, but it is what it is, and I just wanted to give you an update that you will not be seeing this further in any of my upcoming projects. All right, well, I hope this helps. Um, if for some reason this has persuaded you to go a different route, there are other pumps like the Active Aqua um, that I would recommend. I use Active Aqua air pumps, and they're pretty good. I've never tried one of their larger water pumps, but I have used some of their smaller submersibles, and they've worked pretty well. Um, I chose this one mainly because of the price, and you know the old saying, you get what you pay for, may or may not be accurate in this particular case. But that leaves me with another item coming from Amazon that should be here tomorrow, which I will then do an unboxing and set up with that one as well. All right, hope you enjoyed it. On to the next.